Okay, good. Because we want to make sure that puberty is not a shocking or scary experience for you. It's actually a really natural and healthy part of growing up. Wait a minute. My producer is telling me that we have some viewers calling in with questions. Well, we have just enough time to get to those, but first, a message from our sponsors. Grade 4s and 5s, are you tired of your parents yelling at you to get in the shower? Do you want your teachers to stop giving you weird looks as you leave the change room after PE class? Well, then we've got the answer for you. Stinkometer is the first ever body odor gauge certified for use at home and at school. When placed under the arm of a preteen by a supervising adult like a parent or a teacher, the Stinkometer uses its patented infrared technology to rate the subject's need to take a shower. With a simple press of a button, one of 3 readings will be heard on the built-in speaker. Green, live your life. You're good till tomorrow. Yellow, you've got a date with a bar of soap after soccer practice tonight. And red, drop what you're doing and run, don't walk, into the nearest shower. Buy the Stinkometer today and receive an exclusive gift with purchase. Biodegradable socks. That's right, no more masking needed to do the laundry. These socks self-combust when they reach their maximum stink. You're welcome, parents.